Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 5 square minus in bracket 60 divided by 12 times 2 bracket complete divided by 5. This algebraic expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of P stands for parenthesis. We should start with parenthesis. Now we do the division between 60 and 12 inside the parenthesis. 60 को 12 से डिवाइड करने पर we get answer 5 is equal to 5 square minus in bracket 5 times 2 bracket complete divided by 5. Now we do the multiplication between 5 and 2. M stands for multiplication. 5 times 2 is equal to 10 is equal to 5 square minus 10 divided by 5. E stands for exponents. It's time to handle the exponents. After parenthesis, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. 5 का स्क्वायर करने पर we get answer 25 is equal to 25 minus 10 divided by 5. D stands for division. Now we do the division between minus 10 and 5. minus 10 को 5 से डिवाइड करने पर we get answer minus 2 is equal to 25 minus 2. We do the subtraction between 25 and 2. 25 से 2 को घटा देंगे is equal to 23. 23 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेअर और कमेंट कीजिए. सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनल. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. राईट युअर करेक्ट आन्सर इन कमेंट्स.